Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to factory reset iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to factory reset to your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for general settings. Simply tap on it and here scroll down and you'll get the transfer or reset iPhone option. Simply tap on that option and here select erase all content and settings. Once you have selected, first of all you have to make sure that you have backup of your data because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be your apps, photos, videos and much more. So you must have to make a better backup and then select continue option, and here you have to select erase iPhone. If you have any Apple account logged in, so you must have to enter the Apple account password and then enter your passcode and your phone will be factory reset. So in this way you can easily factory reset your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.